welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki Moa here. I am here with another client video. This video was highly requested, so I am showing you guys how I do my eyebrows on my clients. First, I'm going to use this spoolie and just get the hairs to stand up, and then I'm just going to go in with my NYX Eyebrow Gel and Expresso and just follow the natural brow shape. And then I'm going to just start shading in the tail. I want the tail darker than the tip of the brow. Whenever I make a mistake, I do use my thumb and just wipe away because it's that easy with makeup. This video in real time. Most of it is not sped up just because I want to give like real life look so you guys can see how long it takes for me to do the eyebrows and what steps I take to do the eyebrows, and also what's very important to get the eyebrows to look like sisters, not identical sisters but sisters. So as you can see, I build when I do my eyebrows. I do not go in heavy like right when I start. I do start at the tail so that most of the product is still on the brush. That's where most of it will go. I don't like to start at the tip of the brow just because I don't want to be too heavy handed basically. So right now I am just lining up the brush to the eyebrows, just trying to get it to look more filled. Take away the negative spaces. Right now I'm just checking to make sure that they look as close as possible. More of a radiant kind of look where it's darker at the tail, lighter at the tip. So I am going in with this brown eyeshadow from the JACLYN Hill palette and just shading in the tail. I'm not going to go much further. Now I'm taking my Juvias Face Concealer in the shade 16. It is about 2 shades lighter than her complexion. I am using my crown brush. I don't remember the number as usual, but I'm just using the crown brush and going up to the hairs of her eyebrows. I don't want to make it look like I drew on some eyebrows, so I'm going as close as I can to her hairs. Good tip when doing someone's eyebrows, as you can see, I'm taking my thumb and I kind of lifted her brow just to make sure that I can get right up under the hairs of her brows. So that is one tip for you guys. I would just lift up the eyebrow, make sure you're getting right up under there. I am taking the same shade to shape out the top of her brows. Some people don't like the halo look. Sometimes I could deal with it. So, yep, this look has the halo look. now bringing that concealer down to go over her eyelids. I am going to use this concealer as a eyeshadow base. I don't really use eyeshadow primers, so yeah. I am taking a wet beauty blender. This is my e.l.f. camo sponge. I think that's what it's called, yeah. And I'm just using that to give, like, spread out the makeup on the eyelid, give it a flatter surface, something for the eyeshadow to grip to. Alright guys, we are all done. I hope you guys liked my video. I hope you learned some new tips and tricks when it comes to doing eyebrows on your clients. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any ideas of what I should do next, please drop it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week, Tuesday, on Teaching Tuesdays with Kiki.